Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about peptides and bioregulators for enhancing brain health. Brain health is critical for cognitive function, memory, mood, and overall well-being. As research advances, peptides and bioregulators have emerged as potential tools to support and enhance brain health. These compounds may promote neuroprotection, improve cognitive performance, and support recovery from neurological stress. This video explains how peptides and bioregulators can contribute to brain health and key considerations for their use. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and ARTC.health. While he continues to research and explore new and better ways to help his patients achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals, I'm here to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Doc Max believes in using technology constructively to help each other. That's why he is using this AI-generated avatar to educate and inform. Before we get into it, please leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way toward helping spread these health-related presentations to more people. What are peptides? Peptides are short chains of amino acids that act as signaling molecules in the body, influencing processes like hormone regulation, cellular repair, and immune function. Their small size allows them to cross the blood-brain barrier, making them relevant for brain health applications. What are bioregulators? Peptide bioregulators are naturally derived peptides, often sourced from animal tissues, designed to regulate specific organs or systems. Bioregulators target the nervous system for brain health, supporting neuronal function, enhancing cellular regeneration, and promoting overall cognitive vitality. How peptides and bioregulators enhance brain health. Peptides and bioregulators may support brain health through several mechanisms. Neuroprotection. Certain peptides, like cerebrolysin, protect neurons from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative conditions. Enhancing neuroplasticity. Peptides such as Cmax and Salanc may promote neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and form new neural connections, improving learning and memory. Stimulating growth factors. Some peptides, like BPC-157, may increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports neuron growth and survival, enhancing cognitive function. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation can impair brain function. Peptides like thymosin alpha-1 reduce systemic inflammation, potentially benefiting cognitive health. Improving blood flow. Peptides that enhance cerebral blood flow, such as Nupept, ensure better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to brain cells, supporting mental clarity and focus. Regulating stress response. Bioregulators targeting the pineal gland or hypothalamus, such as epithalamin, may balance stress hormones, improving mood and cognitive resilience. Popular peptides and bioregulators for brain health. Several peptides and bioregulators are commonly associated with cognitive enhancement and brain health. Cmax, a synthetic peptide that may improve memory, focus, and stress resilience by modulating neurotransmitter activity. Salanc, known for its anxiolytic effects, Salanc may reduce stress and enhance cognitive function by regulating serotonin and other neurotransmitters. Cerebrolysin, a peptide mixture that supports neuroprotection and recovery, often studied for its potential in treating cognitive decline. BPC-157, while primarily known for tissue repair, it may support brain health by reducing inflammation and promoting neural repair. Epithalamin, a bioregulator derived from the pineal gland, believed to support hormonal balance and cognitive longevity. Considerations for using peptides and bioregulators. While promising, the use of peptides and bioregulators for brain health requires careful consideration. Quality and sourcing. The purity and quality of peptides vary widely. Source products from reputable suppliers to ensure safety and efficacy. Professional guidance. Consult a healthcare provider or your neurologist if you have one before starting any peptide regimen, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are taking medications. Holistic approach. Peptides and bioregulators are most effective when combined with a brain-healthy lifestyle, including a nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, mental stimulation, and adequate sleep. Potential side effects. Some peptides may cause mild side effects like headaches, fatigue, or irritation at injection sites. Monitor your response and discontinue use if adverse effects occur. Regulatory status. Many peptides are considered experimental and may not be approved for cognitive enhancement by regulatory bodies like the FDA. Verify local regulations and ensure compliance. Use of peptides for research purposes is legal, with the best protection being in a clinical study with proper monitoring. Ethical use. In academic or competitive settings, check for restrictions on peptide use, as some may be regulated by organizations. Natural strategies for brain health. For those hesitant to use peptides or bioregulators, natural approaches can also support cognitive function. Nutrition. Consume a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, e.g., salmon, walnuts, antioxidants, e.g., berries, dark chocolate, protein, magnesium, zinc, copper, iodine, and B vitamins to support brain health. Exercise. Engage in regular aerobic exercise to boost cerebral blood flow and BDNF levels, promoting neuroplasticity. Mental stimulation. Activities like reading, puzzles, or learning new skills keep the brain active and resilient. Sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to support memory consolidation and neural repair. Stress management. Practices like meditation, mindfulness, or yoga can reduce stress and improve cognitive clarity. Supplements. Consider evidence-based options like Shilajit in our Big Restore product, omega-3 supplements, ginkgo biloba, or lion's mane mushroom to support brain function. Conclusion. Peptides and bioregulators offer exciting potential for enhancing brain health by supporting neuroprotection, neuroplasticity, and cognitive performance. While research continues to uncover their benefits, these compounds should be used cautiously with high-quality sources and professional guidance. Combining peptides or bioregulators with a brain-healthy lifestyle, rich in nutrition, exercise, and mental stimulation, can optimize cognitive function and support long-term brain vitality. Always prioritize safety and informed decision-making when exploring these tools for brain health. As always, please reach out for information on our personalized health enhancement and age reversal programs, including bioidentical hormone replacement and peptides 941-806-5511.